Teach me about automation with AI. Enter. Check this out. It's going to generate this beautifully structured map here. Techniques for prompting ChatGPT as a content creator. Look at this. And so it shows you like these diagrams from the internet, zero-shot learning. What's that all about? Click on that and it immediately opens a new one. So now you can kind of dive deep into this like visual learning experience here. And it's very structured and beautiful. My brain loves this. Arc browser. And we can basically see a visual representation. Oh, I want to learn more about the calendar integration. Here we go. We get taken directly to that site. Let's say we wanted to learn about Zapier. Zapier and automations. And it generates this like visual curriculum if you want to really dive into a topic. It is called explore.globe.engineer, and it is free as of now. I'm going to be diving in a lot of cool new productivity tools in the next week or so follow for more.